Hey everyone, welcome to this installment of Fat Guy Tries. I'm the Fat Guy. It is February, and as you can see, it is a nice and sunny day out here in Minnesota. Right in the middle of the winter, it is a scorching 32 degrees outside. So I figured what better way to mark this occasion than to do a Blizzard of the Month review from Dairy Queen. And I've got the February 2023 Blizzard of the Month right here. Inside of this wonderful cup is the triple truffle blizzard. That's right, not one, not two, but three kinds of truffles in this blizzard right here. I'm looking forward to trying it. So the three different truffles, as I understand it from reading the menu, are peanut butter, caramel, and fudge. And I gotta say, all of those sound terrific to me. So why don't we go ahead and open this sucker up, get our first look at it. Ooh. Take a look at the swirl on that. That's beautiful. They really made this really nice for us. So grab my spoon here. Oh, and before I get ahead of myself, you may notice I didn't do a January Blizzard of the Month review, and that's because they reused one. I believe it was the Take 5 Blizzard, maybe, from last summer. So, you know, I don't really feel the need to review the same Blizzard twice. I was a little disappointed, to be honest, but you know, Dairy Queen, they know how to make up for it. This is a really attractive flavor. And depending on how good it is, Dairy Queen might just be my Valentine this year. So let's go ahead and take our first bite of the Triple Truffle Blizzard. Let's go for a truffle hunt. Ooh. Okay. So, first spoonful, we got our first truffle. It's caramel. You know, I could tell right away it was caramel, but I was struck for a second by just how rich the flavor was. I can even taste it still, and it's nothing like I've had in a Blizzard before. I mean, this is really, I'm not saying that they cheap out on ingredients or anything, but this really does taste like a real chocolate with caramel from like a box of chocolates. You know, maybe not like a elite box of chocolates or whatever, maybe the kind you pick up at Walgreens. But still, I mean, I was not expecting that. Let's see if we can find the other two truffle flavors before we render our final verdict on this. Okay, that was just ice cream. That was just ice cream. Okay, I see a truffle in here. See it. That was also caramel. I don't want to complain. So far, I'm just coming up caramel. Ah! Yep, there's the peanut butter. There's the peanut butter, and just like so many peanut butter based blizzards we've tried here before, it's got that really delightful peanut butter flavor contrasting with the ice cream. You know, it's almost like a little, it's like if you ever put like real peanuts in ice cream, you got that that kind of salty, savory flavor combined with the sweetness of the ice cream, and it's a great combination. Obviously, you put in a chocolate shell and call it a truffle, it just makes it even better. So let's see if we can find the fudge one now and wrap this thing up. I cannot wait to eat this off camera. Okay. Yep, and there's the fudge. And it's rich, like you would expect from a good fudge. Just a really, I'm not even sure what the best word to describe it is, but it's like a really full flavor. You know, sometimes you're just eating like okay, let me try to explain to you in my own best terms, not really being a culinary guy, but a guy who likes to eat, what I see the difference between chocolate and fudge as. So chocolate, nothing wrong with a good chocolate. You have, you know, like I always think of like a Hershey's bar as being like your standard chocolate, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. You know, I love a good chocolate bar. Then you got fudge. You know, excuse me. And to me, fudge is like it's like a more fleshed out version of chocolate. Like it's more rich. You grow to savor it a little more. Like when you bite into it, and again, this is just coming from my own weird perspective. Maybe the rest of the world has a different idea, but when I have a bite of like a good fudge, it's almost like chocolate to the nth degree, you know what I mean? It's kind of like chocolate amplified. So to have that in a truffle, I think combines really well with the peanut butter and caramel, because you're getting 3 different kinds of flavors, obviously all as truffles, and mixed together. You know, I gotta say, at first I was like, well, maybe there might have been an issue with the mixing, like all of the caramels got put on the top and all the rest I'm gonna have to like dig for like dinosaur bones. But no, I found them all pretty quickly, and I'm just gonna take one last bite, sum up my thoughts, and then go ahead and wrap up this video for you. And I'm pretty sure I just got them all at once. And it's just, this is unlike your average Blizzard, you know. Usually you get a Blizzard for like the one flavor. This is like a medley of flavors. I mean, I gotta say, if Dairy Queen wanted to show me their love this year, they certainly accomplished it, because this, I don't want to throw this out so easily, but this might be the best Blizzard flavor I've ever had. I really think it is. You know, maybe I'll feel differently after I finish eating it and I give it some more thought, but this really might be the best I've had. So I gotta say, Blizzard of the Month for February 2023, Triple Truffle Blizzard. I'm giving it, let me put this down for a second, 2 thumbs up. There we go. Oh man, that was wonderful. I just want to thank you all for watching. Plenty more of these Fat Guy tries to go around. You can see I just did another voodoo with my brother, the Fat Bro. And it's okay, he thought of that nickname for himself. And I'd like to do, you know, I'd like to get more guests on the videos. It gets a little lonely sitting in this empty car sometimes talking to myself, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed the blizzard. Go and get the triple truffle blizzard for yourself. Treat yourself this Valentine's Day. I promise you, you won't regret it. So, thanks for watching, everyone, and have a wonderful day.